Hold privileges was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable money to each individual on the planet. Save Privileges project unequivocally accepts that out-of-control inflation can be destroyed. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing excessive inflation. SAVE was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting at the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Hold Freedoms produce cash by taking a charge from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. Hold Freedoms permits the client to save, move, spend, and get cash through the Hold application, and the local token is known as the RSR. Hold Privileges have joined forces with the Venezuelan government to determine the issue of cash shaking. New augmentations and deduction will be there each year founded on the monetary requests. The most recent news from the power of Save Freedoms is that they are chipping away at a decentralized cash with a steady buying power. How really do Save Freedoms functions? Hold Freedoms is a double symbolic stablecoin stage got by a proof-of-work agreement component, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The Hold application permits clients to move cash through a steady money. The worth of the coin is shielded from diminishing buying power, which means to safeguard the work and exertion of the proprietor. Hold stablecoin called a Save token is a digital money keeping balanced equivalency with US dollars. It very well may be spent like government-issued money or USD. Presently, RSV can be traded for the public monetary standards of Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina with the Authority Hold application. Later on, it is intending to extend to all nations. RSV is a steady coin, however RSR is unpredictable. The uniqueness of Hold is that other stable coins are upheld by USD held in a financial balance and oversaw by a steady coin backer. In any case, RSV is constrained by the repository of digital currency represented by Shrewd Agreements. According to current information, a fundamental stable coin conveyed on Ethereum is upheld by a third USDC, a third TUSD, and a third PAX. The second is the Save Privileges. RSR is utilized to keep RSV stay stable in its worth. RSR tokens are a utility resource. With the assistance of an intricate arrangement of decentralized exchange arrangements, it assists with keeping the cost of the steady coin to stay at the worth of the $1.00 cost target. Hold Freedom's digital currency is utilized as an administration token for the Save Privileges stage. Individuals who own Save Privileges tokens can decide in favor of changes for possible later use Freedom's plans in regards to future turn of events. RSR holders can acquire by collaborating with the convention when the convention is totally live. As of the 2021 Hold Rights Convention, Save stablecoins are called R tokens. The convention permits any individual to make the steady coin. An R token will exchange at a market worth of the whole container that backs it. R tokens can be protected and produce income from value-based charges. This income is imparted to guarantors of insurance tokens. Each R token is represented independently with an alternate administration framework. The all-out market cap is $228,392,585 with a complete stock of 100 billion tokens. The circling supply is 13,159,997,677 RSR, and the Save Privileges cost today is 1 cent. Breaking down the authentic information of RSR cost on the day-to-day graph, the unsurpassed high at which RSR exchanged was 11 cents on April 16, 2021, while the least cost at which RSR exchanged was $0 WAC 2020. Over the most recent half year, Hold Privileges gave the financial backers a huge misfortune. Crypto markets are generally unpredictable in the midst of worldwide feelings. The RSR nature is likewise profoundly unstable, and more dangers are implied since it relies upon different monetary forms and numerous different elements. Save Freedom's specialized investigation. Specialized examination on day-to-day diagrams shows that the ongoing cost of RSR is 1 cent with a 8.43% misfortune and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,817,332. The base value of the present exchanging meeting is 1 cent. And the most extreme cost is 1 cent. The RSR cost graph shows that the Save Freedoms cost has diminished from all time and exchanged sideways. Later on, in July, the morning star affirmation on the outline started an upturn. RSR built up speed and covered half. Then, at that point, it saw a pattern inversion. Sell signals have showed up. RSR's cost tumbled from the help levels, shaping worse low points with diminished volume. The cost of Hold Freedoms has broken the close by help at 1 cent and moving towards the 1 cent support zone. The significant help is set at $0. On the off chance that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Save Freedoms underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. On the day-to-day diagram, The anticipated degree of neighboring opposition is at 2 cents. If RSR USD breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the opposition level of 4 cents. The cost of hold privileges needs to bounce. The significant obstruction is put at 4 cents prior to entering the upswing towards an unsurpassed high. Hold privileges value expectation 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the hold privileges cost is supposed to exchange at 2 cents, and in the center, the obstacle of 2 cents will be crossed, and it might advance toward the greatest degree of 3 cents according to our Save Freedoms Value Forecast 2022. The whole year, Hold Freedoms is supposed to move at a typical cost of 3 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. Hold Privileges Value Forecast 2023. 2023 on the drawn-out diagram is great for the crypto market. However, according to Hold Privileges Cost Expectation, the RSR isn't supposed to contact the 10 cents level this year. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the 3 cents level, and later RSR costs will cross 4 cents, which might be the greatest cost of Save Privileges, while it might expect a typical cost of 3 cents. Save Freedom's Value Expectation 2024. Save Freedom's cost expectation shows that it will cross 5 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise venture for the present moment. Later on, Hold Privileges is expecting speculations all around the world and will broaden its impressions to major crypto markets. Hold Freedom's cost expectation for the year proposes the base and most extreme cost perhaps 4 cents and 5 cents with a typical cost of 5 cents. Hold Privileges Value Forecasts 2025. According to our specialists, Hold Privileges is supposed to obtain more resource base from now on, and our RSR value expectation is expecting that it might arrive at a most extreme cost of 6 cents. The cost might hang between 7 cents to 6 cents with a typical cost of 6 cents. Hold Privileges Value Expectation 2026. Examining the drawn-out conjecture, Save Privileges may neglect to cross the greatest degree of 10 cents this year. In the event that no significant news sets off the cost level, Hold Freedoms will exchange the scope of 8 cents to 9 cents for the year according to our estimate. The cost might reach 9 cents greatest, while the typical exchange cost might be 8 cents as indicated by the conjecture. Is Save Privileges a wise venture? From the information examination and Save Privileges expectations, RSR might be a savvy speculation expansion to your portfolio from the crypto market. Research shows that it has immense development potential later on, and the forthcoming 5 years are bullish in long-haul diagrams. It can end up being a productive speculation whenever exchanged shrewdly. Notwithstanding, putting resources into crypto consistently implies various dangers. Will Save Freedoms go up? Indeed, the Save Freedoms cost rise is supposed to occur. In any case, all the cryptographic money expectations rely upon the worldwide signals and execution of the Chiro in that year. The RSR value expectations depend on past execution, long-haul graphs, and AI calculations. Cost might shift from the anticipated levels on the grounds that the drawn-out gauges from various crypto experts are generally unique. Previously mentioned value examination is for data purposes. Own exploration and legitimate speculation counsel are required for a decent profit from the ventures. How much is RSR worth for 2022?